Ledger and NFT support pricing explained what you get for your money. Ledger is widely recognized for its hardware wallets, but most people get this wrong. They think using Ledger for NFTs is expensive or complicated. The surprising truth is, Ledger provides secure NFT storage with no hidden fees and costs are limited to blockchain transactions. Ledger itself does not charge fees for storing or sending NFTs. The main costs are blockchain-based. For Ethereum NFTs, you'll pay gas fees during minting, sending or trading. On lower fee blockchains like Polygon or Binance Smart Chain, these costs are minimal, making small NFT transactions affordable. Ledger integrates with popular NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea and Rarible through Ledger Live and connected wallets. Marketplace fees, usually around 2–5%, are paid directly during transactions and are separate from Ledger's hardware fees. This ensures transparency and full control over your digital assets. Security is the biggest advantage of using Ledger. As a hardware wallet, your private keys never leave the device, protecting your NFTs from hacks and phishing attacks. Ledger also supports multi-chain storage, allowing you to hold NFTs across Ethereum, ESV, Solana and more, all in one secure device. In conclusion, Ledger offers a premium, secure, and low-fee option for NFT collectors. The only real costs are blockchain fees and standard marketplace commissions, which means you get maximum control over your assets without surprise charges. For anyone serious about security and long-term storage, Ledger is a reliable solution that blends safety with usability.